from this site. So I hope you also join this site and keep watching uh, and keep watching my any video. So now I go to my main topic. Here is a new dog chain mining site. uh, it's come with 30 days. So so this site instant payment and no minimum limit. Okay, it's 30 days running. So here is a company details, uh, live payout, every team live payout. So I also show you here is a blockchain, and also another click, here is a blockchain. So it's real site and payment for site. So I hope you can also join this site very fastly. Okay, now how to join this site? Please go your wallet address. You collect your doc chain Dogecoin ID and paste here, and you type password anytime. Okay, so and press the start mining. Okay, I also show you. Now I go to my wallet and collect my blockchain wallet address. I collect from my blockchain ID and also type my password. Now press this option. I also press this. Okay, here is your dashboard. You must enter a valid address, otherwise you cannot access and you will forget your password. Okay, when you come to dashboard, please click here. Okay, now type your email address and type your current password. Okay, if you change your password, you type two times. Okay, also add my Gmail in this site. Okay, play and press the option update now. Okay, here power plan. If you joining this site, if you give a 40 GS power and you planning to plan. Okay, if you upgrade this plan, go to main dashboard. Okay, here is their plan. So if you buy this any plan, here is a show here. So I suggest you they give free mining. You cannot deposit now. So I hope you also keep mining and without free investment. So withdrawal option, Here is your withdrawal ID. When you 0.025 Dogecoin available your balance, then you can also withdraw from this site. And all here is a network fee 0.1% Dogecoin. Okay. When you withdraw this, they also cut off your main balance. Now I also show another option. Here is if you do not change your email here, please come to this site option. Okay. Ref commission 10% to 40%. Have you any question? This FQ auction. This search here, and they also could easily find this. Okay. There is so many in my place notify to you. Does it allow to have multiple account? Yes, you have multiple added to system, but they should not be registered using referring from another wallet. In case of violation of this provision, your wallet will mandate you return deposit fund. Okay, so please give carefully. Contact option. If you any question, face any problem, you can send this. I also show you like payout. So may you at the last 30 payout is show here. So I hope it's a very trusted site. So you can also mine it. And if you need investment, you can continue. So no more now. Please stay with me and keep watching my YouTube channel, and also subscribe my channel, and also join my Telegram group. You need any information available here. I also and feedback to very quickly. Okay, thank you very much, and keep pray for me. Remember, every time remember to Allah. Okay, take care of himself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.